whack the pinata while it's still hanging. Welcome to the channel. This is where you review and critique $1 million properties. I tell you 3 things I like about it, 3 things I don't like about it. And in today's episode, we're going to review 10644 Bellagio Road, 7-bedroom, 20 bathrooms. Square footage is, we don't know. And it sits on a 366,000 square foot of land. That's, I think, 8.4 acres. And it's listed for $195 million. Ooh. Now, before I tell you 3 things I love about this property, you should know that the content of this video is purely for educational and entertainment purposes. I don't guarantee the accuracy of information. For that stuff, you can contact the listing agents right here. Okay, 3 things I love about this property. Third is pedigree. It's perched on an 8.4 acre land. It was previously owned by Conrad Hilton. That's Papa Hilton, Granddaddy Hilton, wow, who lived there till 1979. You see how long he kept it? And after that, he sold it to the financier David H. Murdoch in the 1980s. And that guy bought it for $12.4 million. And he sold it in 2000 to businessman Gary Winnick for a record at the time, $94 million. Look, this property has had a history of just kicking ass. It's broken records before. I mean, the founder of the Hilton franchise, this was his home. So go ahead and imagine how good this is, okay? Now, the second best thing I like about this property is privacy. You literally have 0 neighbors. It's an island. You live in an island. I mean, does it get better than that? I don't know. No neighbors. Okay, the number one thing I love about this property, its location, Lower Bel Air, on an 8.4 acre flat lot, mostly flat. It's the most valuable land in Los Angeles. It's better than anything in Holmby Hills. It's better than anything in Beverly Hills. This is it. This land is gold, and I'm telling you, anyone else tells you otherwise, tell them Arvin disagrees, because I know my shit. Now, 3 things I don't like about this property.
Arvin, let's talk about this part. What does it say about this property?
Okay, so there's a 50% more supply than same time last year, and there's 125% more new supply than last month's. Now, both demand month over month and year over year have gone down, and the median days on the market are at 65, and it's just going to keep rising. Now, if you like this dashboard, you will love version 3.0, because we literally going to do everything for you. Chew it, put it in your mouth and go boop, 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 and then you just have to swallow it. We're going to raise the prices because version 3.0 is just that much better. So if you want to be grandfathered in, sign up right now. Okay, 3 things I don't like about this property. Third is very obvious. Finishes are dated. You need at least another $20 million to bring this puppy back to 21st century. Now, the second worst thing that I don't like about this property is that, you see, when Murdoch and Bezos were buying a couple years ago, this property was privately being marketed. And you don't know that because you don't follow the channel, but subscribers know. And I can tell you that it did not sell. I believe it was being marketed above $200 million. And that might be the big mistake, and they didn't whack the pinata at the right time. Because right now, the fit has cut the rope. The pinata is open. The freaking candies are all over the floor, and everybody has had their cake, and they've lost appetite. Bad timing. Now, the number one thing I don't like about this property is golf balls. Yes, golf balls. You better be really nice to your buddies in the country club and let them win sometimes, because if you don't, you might just find yourself playing dodgeball in the backyard, golf balls coming at you at every direction. Now, selling this house would be a dream. And if you want to know how I would approach this property, what would be my price strategy, how long we should wait, how we should start, how we should negotiate, you can contact me here. I would love to be a resource to you. Thanks for watching, and get out of here.